Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well with you. Before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back, guys. I'm back real quick today. I want to talk about TextBot. Actually, I want to just show you two strategies that you can use to assist you in promoting TextBot. Of course, there's many ways to do it. But here's two additional strategies that you can use that is low budget. Okay, so let me show you that. But before we do that, let's talk about TextBot really quickly. Okay, if you're not familiar with TextBot, it's a software that helps you generate leads for your business. Okay, because what happens is when people call your assigned phone number that TextBot gives you, they actually call from their cell phone. So right there, you have created a lead. Okay. And TextBot is going to help you promote your primary business. Okay. So you're getting 2 for 1. You're able to promote TextBot and you're promoting your primary business at the same time. As stated, the company will assign you your own personal marketing number. Here's my marketing number. Go ahead and give it a call so that you can see how it works. The calls don't come to your cell phone. You don't have to download any software, any of that, okay? You'll have your own back office so you can track all the phone numbers that call your number. You'll see the communication that Ava, which is your personal assistant that you get with this system, you'll see the chatting of conversations that take place, okay? So hang on a second. Not to mention, guys, you can make $100 over and over with TextBot. The commission structure is you make $100 or you make $500. They have two products. They have the Ava Basic. It's $150 for that product. And then they have Ava Plus. That's $550. So you can go all in for $550 so you don't miss any commissions, or you can just join for $150 and make $100 commissions. Okay. So now what I want to do now is show you those two resources that you can use to help you promote TextBot. All right. So to get more information and go check out TextBot, to watch the video and all that with the presentation, just call this number right here, 845-253-6408. Okay. To get the full demo of the system and all the details. Okay, and if you have any questions about anything, give me a call. But let's talk about how you can promote this on a budget. This is one resource that I've used in the past, and I learned about it a long time ago when I was in network marketing, multi-level marketing, promoting products in network marketing. Okay, so let me show you this. It's on low budget. Okay, and you can use this. So check this out. Sticky notes, guys. You may have heard the term sticky notes or post-it notes. Okay, this actually works. Okay, long time ago I learned this marketing method, and it still works today. As you can see, I already have my sticky note. It tells you right here. I ordered them from Vista Print. Very reasonable. And this is my sticky note. Need part-time work, make 500 plus weekly, training provided, and here's my TextBot number. Remember, the calls are not going to come to you. Okay, they're going to go into your TextBot funnel. So when people dial this number, they press 1 and they will chat with Ava. Okay, and Ava's going to send them your link to go check out TextBot. And it's going to do all the selling and telling. You can put these sticky notes everywhere, from gas stations, on the gas pump. When you're already out getting gas, you have to get gas anyway, right? So when you go to the gas station, you just stick it on the pump. When you go to the ATM, you just stick it on the ATM. Now don't put it on the screen where people can't actually function at the ATM. You want them to be able to get it and see it from the side, like on the side. You know, you have the screen here, and then you just put the sticky to the side. That way they can, you know, take it if they so choose to do that. We don't want to block their view. But different places. When you go to a restaurant, you go to the restroom, you can stick one on the mirror. When you go to the restroom, you can when you close the door there, you can stick a sticky note. There's so many places you can do the sticky notes, okay? So sticky notes, very, 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 very cheap to do this type of marketing, okay? Another way is some people like to actually go to, let's say, a Staples or Office Depot, and they'll buy their sticky notes, and then they'll buy a stamper, okay? You can get a stamper with the information you want on it, then you actually stamp it onto the sticky notes. Me, I prefer to just go ahead and order it the way I want it, and I can switch it up. And I just go to Vistaprint and get these done. Okay, when you join me, I'll give you this information, and you can actually use my template from my order from Vistaprint, where you don't have to reinvent this ad. Okay, so we can talk about that. So another way, sticky notes, guys, very, very reasonable. Okay, and here's one of my other methods. This is something I do every day. I send out a blast using this system. It only costs me 25 cents per blast, $91.25 one time. Okay, and I can do this for a whole year. See, it tells you right here, submit a contact solo email ad daily to 396,448 contacts for 365 days. So every day for a whole year. Once you pay $91.25, you don't have to do that again. And this is not a subscription, okay? You'd have to renew this if you want to do so. And look, it tells you on here, folks, if you have been searching for a way to reach 100% real double opt-in contacts, then this is your opportunity. Okay? This is our target market. These are US, Australia, Canada, and United Kingdom leads. Okay, and the people that we're reaching out to are home business opportunity seekers, affiliate opportunities, extra income opportunity. This is the people we want to reach out to. Okay, so for one time $91.25, you can get access to this. Okay, so every day I go in and I submit a solo ad. Okay, I have some email swipe copy, okay, for you guys. I know, there's a lot of people that's concerned about, well, what do I say? I'm not sure what I need to say. Well, one thing is, in your back office, TextBot gives you some ad copy. Let me show you where that is. Okay, you click on reseller, and then you click on resources. Okay, then you get this right here. It says email swipe copy. Here's two emails right here. All you do is copy and paste them. Then here's another one, a solo ad swipe copy. So you have 3 ads right here that you can use. Okay, and it's real simple. Once you actually get that service, let's go back over there. Once you actually pay your $91.25, the company will set up your login information. They'll email it to you, then you'll just simply log in. You'll have a login and password. Every day you're able to log in and you submit a solo ad. Again, I have ad copy. So if you decide you want to do this, reach out to me. I'll send you some copy and paste proven ad copy. Okay, I've been in numerous opportunities, and a lot of them I have hundreds of proven copy and paste pre-written ads that you can use. And this is what I do. I use these ads. Okay, so let me show you how simple it is. Okay, as you can see right here, see, they give me a password and my login, and I just click go. This is what you would do. And you come here, and here's the form. It's just that simple. Your name, your email, what subject you want here, and you just paste your ad copy right here and click send, guys. And you're able to do this once a day. It tells you right here. Once a day, submit your solo ad. Okay? And it doesn't have to be the same thing. If you have multiple opportunities you're promoting, you can send one to that. It may not be TextBot. You may be in another opportunity, but I'm just speaking since I'm doing the video on TextBot. I'm just showing you that this is the form you would use. So it could be something different every day if you like. Okay, a different opportunity. But the point of the matter is, you need to get your offer in front of eyeballs. Okay, there's more than one way to do this business. Okay, so there's just 2 other ones that I just wanted to show you though. Sticky notes and that email solo ad. Okay, a lot of times we're spending more than that with a vendor, okay, that we use. You spend $100 for a vendor to send to 100 possibilities of people. Okay, now you can do your own. Okay, now not to mention, here's the other ones that we have. Now this is offline marketing we're talking. So showed you the sticky note, and then we have these drop cards. Okay, join me and you get 100 of these. As you can see, they look like $100 bills. Okay, so here's mine. Your number will go there. So the template is already created. All you're going to do is when you go online, you just put your number that they assign you. Like this is my number, this 845 number on the screen, and we just put it on here. Okay, very simple and easy for you to do online. You can get 100 of these when you join me. Then I also have my customized postcard, guys. So offline you can do the postcards, or you can do the $100 drop cards, or the sticky note. Okay, I just showed you that. Okay, so there's no reason for you not to get this out here to the masses. There's multiple ways to do it. Let's talk about a few other ways. So you can share your number. You can copy and paste pre-written ads, which is what I just said. I have hundreds of those. You can mail postcards. You can send a text message. You can send an email. I just showed you that. Or you can do the post sticky notes. Okay, so various ways that you can do this business. Now, with that being said, let me show you another commission came in during the holiday. That's what I love about this business. It works 24/7. While we're living life, people are looking at this opportunity and they're joining. Let me just show you a quick proof of another $100 commission coming in for TextBot AI. Okay, right here you can see you've got money headed your way via Zelle. Welcome aboard, Kashonda Wright. She joined TextBot. It was simple and easy. I mean, she notified me. She did send me a text and say, hey, I'm getting ready to sign up for TextBot. And I said, okay. Next thing I know, the email started coming in and then the payment came in. So let me show you this. Now, if you take a look, as you can see, that's the same name I just showed you, and it shows her active in my back office. Okay. So that's the same name of the person I just showed you on the email. So TextBot continues to work, guys. You just have to put it out here. Here's 6 methods I'm showing you on the screen, but I just gave you 2 that's on a budget you can do. Okay, so we're at 2,900 in earnings with TextBot at a short time period. Okay, you can do the same, guys. I can show you how to do it. Just get your information out here. I've showed you drop cards, postcards, sticky notes, email marketing. All this stuff works. So I'd like to get with you and let's get you a marketing plan and let's get you started. Okay, you can get started for $150. You have a whole marketing system funnel with TextBot for $150, guys. It's a small price to pay when you can end up earning thousands of dollars with the system, or go all in and spend $550. You don't miss any commissions. Okay, now if you join me in TextBot and you want to mail my postcards, get this access to this, reach out to me so I can get you access to this, and I will send you 200 leads on pill and stick labels. Okay, so with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Be safe out there and have a blessed day.